full A+ ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the Enclaps channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Welcome all to the wonders of living world. Hormones are messengers that are produced within the body to regulate the chemical reactions that take place in our body. Glands in different parts of the body produce different hormones. Hypothalamus controls the bodily functions of the body, including the release of hormones from the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland secretes growth hormone, ACTH, GTH, TSH, vasopressin and oxytocin. Next is the P-shaped gland called the pineal gland, which secretes melatonin. Below our neck, we have the largest gland called the thyroid gland, which secretes T4, T3 and calcitonin. This thyroid gland has 4 P-shaped gland called the parathyroid gland, which secrete parathormone. Just above the stomach, next to the duodenum, we have the second largest endocrine gland called the pancreas, which secrete insulin, glucagon and somatotropin. Then we have the adrenal gland just above the kidneys, which secrete epinephrine, norepinephrine, cortisol, aldosterone, etc. Gonads are endocrine glands. In males, it's a pair of testes, whereas in females, it's a pair of ovaries. Do you have any doubt that plants do have hormones like us? Today we will examine this in more detail. There are certain chemicals behind the regulation of plant growth, movement and other biological functions. They are also known as plant growth regulators or plant hormones. Another term is phytohormones. Now let us get acquainted with the important plant hormones and their functions. Auxin, found in the leaves and stem of the plants. Let us get acquainted with the important hormones and their functions. Auxin, found in the leaves and stems of the plants, enables cell growth, cell elongation, apical bud growth. Gibberellins, found in the apical buds, young leaves and embryo, helps in germination, sprouting of leaves, stimulates flowering and fruit formation. Cytokinin, synthesized in the roots and other parts of the plant, enables cell growth, cell division and cell differentiation. It also helps in the opening of stomata. Abscisic acid, found in roots, stems, leaves and green fruits, inhibits growth and promotes closing of stomata, resulting in wilting and dropping of ripened leaves. Ethylene, synthesized in ripening fruits, aging leaves and flowers, enables ripening of leaves and fruits. Now we have a small task to complete. Fill in the following table. Auxin, cell growth, cell elongation, fruit formation. Abscisic acid, dropping of the ripened leaves and fruits. Gibberellins, breakdown of stored food in the seed. Cytokinin, cell growth, cell division and cell differentiation. Ethylene helps in ripening of fruits. So far we were talking about the naturally occurring hormones. In addition, there are artificial hormones too. There are artificial plant hormones too, which are man-made, that can control the plant growth. Let us get acquainted with some of the important synthetic plant hormones and their uses. Artificial plant hormones. Auxin, prevents abscission, seedless food formation, stimulation of root production. Ethylene. Ethylene are used for flowering of pineapple and ripening fruits such as bananas, tomato, lemon, oranges, etc. Ethyphone is a chemical which is available in the liquid form, gets converted to ethylene when used in bananas. It ripens the rest of the bundle. Gibberellins, used to increase the size of the fruits such as grapes and apples, and it prevents the ripening of fruits for marketing purposes. Although it is beneficial in agriculture, we also need to consider the warning and the uncontrolled use of such chemicals can lead to a variety of health problems. Therefore, it is necessary to control the use of such artificial hormones. Now, question based on today's session. Reshma wrapped the mango in paper so that it would ripen quickly. Was Reshma's intention right? What is the reason behind it? Fruits ripen when the plant hormone ethylene contained in them was placed in a closed environment. So Reshma was trying to ripen the fruits with the hormone contained in the plant. I hope you have understood the important hormones produced by the animals and plants and their functions. So let's meet again with more new information to explore the biological world.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ദ ലേണിംഗ് ആപ്പ്.